Welcome and hi. So this is our data communication project presentation by our group, Group 23. So this is our team members, Tommy Warren, Haris, Tianjian, and me, Muhammad Amirul. For introduction, this project presents the network infrastructure designed for BITS 1313, covering the HQ in Shah Alam and branches in Polim and Sudan. The objective is to build a scalable, secure, and structured network to support business operation across all locations.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Somesh, and today I'm excited to talk you through our company's network setup. Think of it like a nerve system of our business, how all our computer and devices connected and talk to each other. We will explore our main office, which is our headquarters, and our two branches office in Kulim and Skodai. Let's start with our biggest location, the headquarters. It's spread across several floors, each with a specific role. On the first floor, for our technical department, we have switch connecting four wire PC. Then moving to the second floor, for the management, we use a flexible setup with six wired PC, four wireless PC, and two wireless notebooks, all connected via a switch and wireless modem. Below that, our third floor server farm is crucial, housing for server connected to dedicated switch. Finally, the fourth floor for sale and marketing uses five wireless PCs and five wireless notebooks, also connected via a switch and wireless modem. All these headquarters floor are linked, and the entire office connects to the outside world through a main router and wireless modem. Next, branch 1 in Kulim has two-part setup. House A, our service department, connect four wired PC to central switch. For House B, the staff hostel primarily uses five wireless notebook and connect through a switch and wireless modem. Both areas in Kulim connect to the border company's network via their own router and wireless modem. Branch 2, which is Kudai, is structured to similar to the Kulim. The structure is similar to the cooling. On the ground floor, our service department uses five wired PC connect to the switch. Upstairs, the first floor, floor staff hostel is equipped with 10 wireless notebook linked via a switch and wireless modem. Like cooling, the entire Square branch connect to our main company network through its dedicated router and wireless modem. Finally, this is our overall network topology diagram. Shows how all our net location. The blue color is the headquarter, and then orange color is the Kulim branch, and then the green color is the Skodai branch. It's connect to form one big network. The key is plot in the middle. Our one or wide area network is one. This one act as a super highway link each location's main router directly. This detailed connection allow information to flow freely and securely between headquarters and other branches like Kulim and Skoda, ensuring seamless collaboration and efficiency operation across our entire company, no matter the physical distance. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Haris and today I will present the addressing scheme we have used for our main project. We have applied IP subnetting using VLSN techniques for efficient IP address allocation. Firstly, this is the hard network setup for HQ. We have used the network block 192.168.5.64/26, which gives us 64 IP addresses, in which 62 are usable addresses. The subnet mask is 255.255.255.192. As you can see, the router uses the IP address 192.168.5.65, and all the devices follow sequentially from the router. Next, for the branches, we have used the network block 10.0.0.0./23, which gives us 512 addresses, and we have allocated 256 addresses for each branch. Branch Kulim only requires 9 addresses, and branch Skoda requires 15 addresses, which can be taken from the usable IP range as mentioned in the table. We've also allocated 2 addresses for network address and broadcast address for each branch. Next, for the branch Kulim, we have service department and staff hostel. Service department requires 7 addresses. We have allocated 8 addresses. And staff hostel requires 7 addresses. We have allocated 8 addresses. Also mention the usable IP range and allocated 2 addresses for network address and broadcast address for each house. Next for branch Kudai, staff hostel needs 13 addresses and we've allocated 16 addresses. And for the service department, it needs 7 addresses. We've allocated 8 addresses. Also mention the usable IP range and also the network address and broadcast address in the table. As you can see in the bigger picture, the branch Kulim, the service department uses 4 wide PCs, which uses the IP addresses from the usable IP range, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.248. Next for the staff hostel in branch Kulim, we're using a 5 wireless laptop, which uses the IP address from the usable IP range. And the subnet mask of the staff hostel is 255.255.255.248. And then for branch Kodai, the staff hostel uses 10 wireless laptop, and the IP address of each laptop is taken from the usable IP range, where the subnet mask is 255.255.255.240. Lastly, for the service department, it uses 5 wired PCs, and the IP address for each PC is taken from the usable IP ranges, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.248. Here's where we apply the variable length subnet masking. Instead of giving every floor /24, we only give them what they need.
Salam sejahtera, my name is Tiongjin, and now I will do the network testing connectivity in our network system. First, we do the testing within the HQ location. Server, we want to get the IP of the server. And we'll get this is the IP of the device. So I can just add it in 1.6.8. So as you can see, it successfully connect. So how about the coding? Let me take file .8 and laptop drive. So for the laptop egg, and then here is pin and so it means that there's both are successfully connected. Okay, how about in the branches to school line? So for school line, is test with BITS1313 17. Okay. Save. Copy pin 10.10.1.6. So in final, we have successfully been to the pin from the BITS13 and the BITS17. After that, how about the connectivity from one location to another location? So let's say I want to pin from HQ to the branch 1 Kulim with that random PC. You see I did this. Okay, that is laptop. Yes. Yeah. Okay, laptop 9. I want to pin laptop 9 which is in HQ to laptop 11. PC 9 in HQ to laptop 11 in Kulim. You just pin 10.10 10.10.0. And as you can see, this network system is able to pin with different location. Okay, so now how about the web hosting to our web server? So first we are using this laptop 11. We open the web browser, type the HTTP with the IP of the server 1.1.1.1.3.3. Okay, so means that we also able to doing the web hosting for the branch or from the HQ to the to the server 111.111.33.2. Let's add another example from the HQ. Yes, so means that the whole system are able to do the web hosting. So in conclusion, this system is allowed us have a good connectivity between the location and between the location different location, and the host system are able to do the web hosting to the from the host to the server. That all for my part. Thank you so much.
For the conclusion, the focus network successfully meets current and future communication needs through proper subnetting, device segmentation, and serialized routing. The design ensures seamless communication between all departments and branches. Future improvements like VPN access and monitoring tools can further enhance performance and service.